jungle where the wild things play. Monkeys swing and elephants sway. Tigers prowl with stripes so bright. Parrots screech with pure delight.
Oh, the jungle where the wild things play. Monkeys swing and elephants sway. Tigers prowl with stripes so bright. Parrots screech with pure delight.
Giraffes stretch their necks up high. Zebras gallop as time goes by. Hippos splash in muddy pools. Crocodiles snap with toothy tools.
Snakes slither across the sand. Toucans perch on branches tall. Gorillas beat their chests for all.
In this world of fur and scales, where nature writes the happiest tales, every creature has a part to play in the jungle's joyful display.